to my channel and thanks so much for tuning in today. We're going to be chatting about clear complexion. Why? Because we are transitioning from fall to winter, and I live in a city where I get all 4 seasons, and because of that, my skin changes every season. I've also partnered up with Biossance to create this video for you guys to share with you my best tips and tricks when it comes to getting a glowing complexion in the morning. So this is going to be a nighttime skincare routine that anyone can do. It's very easy with very little steps, so if you guys want to see what they are, keep watching this video. And a friendly reminder to you guys, if you haven't done this already, make sure you follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat. I post lots of product reviews, product favorites, skincare tips, and a bunch of other things other than on what I do on YouTube. So if you guys want to see those things, make sure you add me there and I'll put the links right over here. All right, are you guys ready? Let's get started.
Step 1, grab a hot towel and place this over the face for a minute. This helps open up the pores and I find helps the products work so much better. Step 2, cleanse. Here I'm using Philosophy's micro-delivery exfoliating facial wash. When it comes to glowing complexion, exfoliating is key to help get rid of dead skin. Here I'm just going to wet the face with some warm water and then apply the cleanser all over. The micro beads are smooth and leave my face feeling silky, soft, and refreshed. Tip: sometimes I like to place a hot towel over the exfoliated skin for a few seconds and then wipe clean. Following that, it's time to clarify the skin. I'll be using Clinique's clarifying lotion. I love using this as it's alcohol-free and it helps smooth my skin right before bed. With even pressure, do swirling motions all over the face and neck to help skin's texture. Step 4, if you love facials, you'll love the Biossance Squalane and Glycolic Renewal Facial. I just apply a layer over my skin and let it do its magic. This 3-in-1 facial renews, smooths, and hydrates. It's powerful yet gentle enough to use twice a week for exfoliating dry skin, which is perfect for me. I've just used this over the last 2 weeks and already see noticeable changes to my skin. It's softer, brighter, and less dry. To pair with the facial, I'm going to add on top the Biossance Squalane and Omega Repair Cream. Now that it's fall, the repair cream is just what my skin needs. And I love that they use clean ingredients, squalane, and the role of good omega fats to help restore skin's natural moisture barrier. My skin feels totally renewed after using this renewal facial and the repair cream together. And if you're interested in these 2 products, they are now available at Sephora. Now to finish off this nighttime skincare routine, I'll be applying Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream. Applying an eye cream before going to bed can make you look so much more awake in the morning. Using tapping motions, I'm going to apply the cream upwards towards the temples. And lastly, for dry lips, I've been loving the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I apply a generous amount and let it work overnight. It smells like berries and it's super moisturizing. And then in the morning, I just wipe off the excess and voila, hydrated lips and a glowing complexion.
So those are my tips and tricks on how to get clear complexion overnight. This skincare routine is a really good transitional one when it comes to going from season to season. I really enjoy using this skincare routine, especially because it helps exfoliate the skin. It really helps get rid of the dead skin and also just renews your skin overnight. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also comment below and let me know what other skincare routines you guys like to see. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all very soon in my next one. Bye for now.